God, the blow off sound. How I've missed you. How is it going, guys? Drew Peacock here, back with another video. Let me roll up the windows. It is hot as testicles outside, so I'm doing this for you. I meant to include me picking up the car and me driving the car when I got it back from the shop and everything. I meant to include that in the last video where we had the Mustang in it, but I couldn't. For some reason, my footage cut out after 15 seconds. So I got to double check. It's still recording good and everything looks great. But anyway, we got the car back and it is just a whole new beast. This car is just absolutely insane now. Of course, what a better way to start the video than to get stuck at a red light. Perfect, just the kind of content you guys want to see. I'm sorry if my car is a little bit dirty. I haven't washed it really. It's been hot as shit here in SoCal, and I haven't really felt like going and sitting on the sun and washing it, and I haven't been at my parents in a cool minute anyway. So we're gonna drive towards my parents. I'm gonna install something so I can have my windows tinted. You guys have been bugging me. You're like, Drew, tint your fucking windows. Your car looks like a damn fishbowl. Tint your windows. Well, we're actually gonna do that, not today, but I'm gonna install the felt liner. I'm gonna show you guys why I didn't have tint to begin with, and I'm gonna install that part. That way I can actually have them tinted. I'm not gonna tint them myself, just because I suck. I've done it before. I did it on my V6 Mustang and it came out decent, but I could only do like the little quarter windows, and it wasn't enough to do this. I wasn't good enough to do that. So I feel like now though I probably could do it though, since I've wrapped my car. I feel like it's a similar process, not the same, but very similar. So I feel like if I had a decent material and decent tint and decent tools, I feel like I could do it. But I'm not gonna waste my time trying. I'm gonna have someone come out to my house and do it, and save me a lot of time and a lot of hassle. So we're gonna go ahead and drive the Mustang a little bit. I still got a break in the clutch. We're only at 290 miles out of the 500-mile break-in. I've gotten on it a few times and the clutch seems to be fine. So I'll get on it a little bit, but I'm not gonna beat on it. I mean, it's hot as fuck outside too. I don't really want to put too much strain on the motor. I like driving it at night. If anything, maybe on the way back, if I record, I'll do a couple more pulls, but I'm only gonna do like 1 or 2 pulls. But this thing just pulls like a truck. I don't know if it's because my belt now for sure isn't slipping or what, but it feels like a whole new beast. It breaks loose like nothing at 40. Before, it would hook at 40 like nothing. Now it breaks loose, and it's hotter. It's hotter now. I don't get it. So the car is just woken up. I don't know what we did, but the new bolts holding on the pulley, I guess secure it better or something. I don't know. But what ended up happening was we broke those 3 bolts. They were already like a grade 8 bolt, and so we went up to like a cam, an engine hardened steel cam bolt or something like that. They weren't cheap. I mean, upgraded hardware isn't cheap. That's some really tough metal. So what does that is just the manual transmission on a car with this much torque. When you're shifting, it just drops and puts so much load on it. It's just what happens. So anyways, I figure while I'm driving and I'm breaking in the car anyways, let's talk about the new car. I know you guys have been waiting and asking, yo Drew, when is the new car coming? What is the new car? I'll give you a secret. I'll give you a little hint actually. I'm feeling a little bit generous today. Okay, I'll give you a hint. But that's it. No more hints after this. This is the only hint, okay? So let me tell you about it first on the updates with it, and then I'll give you a hint on it. I gotta think of a decent hint that won't give it away. So we're gonna save that for later. But anyways, my importer hit me up. He now has the car, which is great. He has the car, it's cleared through customs. He has begun working on it, and he thinks that he will be done working on it in about a week. After that, she's good to go. So I think I got 1 more week, and then my car's ready. It's good to go, and I can go either have it shipped out here or I can fly out there. And that is the precise moment my bitch-ass GoPro overheated. I guess the Hero 7 is too weak for my hot car. I had the AC blasting too, I don't get it. Anyways, so in the video that I recorded, I said a different hint, but I'm actually going to change it. Luckily, it cut itself kind of, so you don't hear it because my GoPro overheated. But anyways, the new hint I'm going to give is the new car coming is a 2-door sports car. That's a pretty good hint. It's not a truck, it's not a van. It is a 2-door sports car, not a 4-door. So go ahead and narrow down your guesses down in the comments. Let's keep going. All right, guys, we made it to Downey. Let me show you guys what we got going on really quick. Okay, so pretty much the 05 to I believe 07 Mustangs came with a rubber weather strip on the inside to insulate the window. The 2008 and 2009 came with one with felt. and this will protect your window tint. Pretty much if I had window tint like I did before, it's gonna scratch the shit out of it. But with this new thing, it's not gonna do that. Damn, look at that. Look at that fitment though, damn. Anyway, so what we gotta do is, I'm not gonna record it because it's very simple, but if you have a Mustang and your window tint is scratching, just buy some of these from LMR and it'll be a quick fix. We just gotta take apart the door panel, swap them out, throw the other ones in, and then it's done. So I'm not gonna go ahead and record all this. I'm just gonna toss them in and show you guys how it looks after. Here we have old versus new side by side. As you can see, it's just rubber. Of course, that's gonna scratch the shit out of your tint from it baking in the sun. And then the new one, nice, felt, soft, and luxurious. Nice. All right, guys, I'm on my way back home. We installed the felt weather strips. I returned my clutch. It was sitting there. I don't know why I looked over there like it was still there, but it was sitting there. And it's funny, when I was in there and she noticed it was a clutch, her and a coworker, they were like boomers. They started talking about the car scene, which was random as hell. But she was like, yeah, the car scene's not the same anymore. What are you doing? Get the fuck out of my lane. Are you doing your fucking makeup? Are you dumb? She's doing her fucking makeup. God, people. Anyways, back to my story, dumbass lady. Fuck, that pisses me off. All right, back to my story. Yeah, even boomers notice that the car seat has changed. It's wild, I'm telling you guys. The car seat is dog shit now. I'm sorry, it is. Besides actually going out and racing, it is very toxic and it is very dog shit. People get offended, people talk shit. Like, yeah, I say jokes and I just make light of every car. I don't fucking go and like, all right, guys. Anyways, yeah, the lady down there, God, I got distracted by that car. She even noticed that the car scene has changed so much. She said that she was into it about 3 years ago. And I mean, 3 years ago, it was vastly different, but I mean, it was still pretty bad. But yeah, I mean, even boomers notice, man. We got to stop the stupid trend of stancing out our cars. It is so dumb. Anyways, let's just enjoy the blow-off valves. Let's enjoy the day. Let's break in the clutch a little bit. Let's just have some fun. Make the car scene great again. Let's do it. Couldn't be happier with this car. It is so fun. I wish there was no cars on the road, but I guess people got their normal day-to-day going again. I can't wait to start racing again. I can't wait to just gap some people, man. Oh no, banana guards! No, banana guards! Oh no. Let's see if he wants some. I'll race him. If he wants to, I'll race him. Let's take a look at it. Move, Kia, I want to go see the boat. I want to see the boat. I want to see the boat. I want to go and see the boat so I can race it. He's not going to race. Homeboy has tire lettering and banana guards. He is not going to race. Let's see. Homeboy ain't going to do shit. Let's see. I mean, he's riding that car's ass. Granted, I'm kind of riding his ass, but let's see. Let's see. I'm going to go take a look at him. Let's take a look at his sick-ass build, guys. Follow the build. Do I dare hop in the carpool? Do I dare? I don't dare. I'll just cut off this Mercedes. It ain't worth breaking the law, ladies and gentlemen. It ain't worth it. Let's take a look. Banana guards, banana guards, banana guards. Oh, sick ass build, dude. Sick. Make the car seem great again. Oh, let's see. Hopefully it's capturing it in the rear view. Oh, he's got the Wolverine stripes. Oh, that is sick. Oh, best build today. Sick ass build. He's got the Wolverine stripes. Oh, goals right there. Car goals. See, like, why do people mod their car like that? Why don't you mod it with real parts to make it actually faster instead of putting stupid stickers on your car to make it look more aggressive? That's dumb. Make the car seem great again. I want to see cold air intakes and exhaust systems. I want to see 3 Honda Civics running spoon engines and a Motec exhaust. I do see this STI kind of coming up on me. I'll see if he wants some. See, even that's better. TLC, but I could just tell he's put a lot more into it than that stupid sticker galore car I just saw. Sticker on the tires, sticker on the fenders, stickers on the headlights. What mod doesn't consist of stickers? God damn it. And the freeway is of course crowded. It's not worth it. I mean, no offense, but I don't think he would have been able to stand his own. But I mean, we got to break in the clutch anyways. It's not worth it. It's not worth doing something stupid right now. We don't want to damage the clutch. We just put the clutch in. We don't want to damage it. Let's just get this car home. Let's edit this video and let's just enjoy the rest of the day. So anyway, guys, if you did enjoy this video, please leave a thumbs up. Let's make the car seem great again. I want to see less stickers and more performance mods. Stickers aren't the worst thing ever, but when that's all your car consists of, that's not a build. I'm sorry. If your car has more stickers than a fucking middle schooler's notebook, that's not a build. I don't want to hear it. Anyways, it's hot as balls. I'm gonna go home and edit this video. Until next video, peace.